Hello everyone. Today I want to review an update that we've just released for the SDT Leak Reporter app for smartphone. My name is Alan Rienstra, and I'll be taking you through some of the changes in this latest update. If you're not currently a user of the SDT Leak Reporter app, you can download it from either the iOS App Store or from the Google Play for Android. And we've conveniently put two QR codes here on the screen, so just take a quick snap of those and head off to the download venue of your choice. Ultrasound programs need to produce wins that show fast return on investment, but without an easy-to-use reporting system, quantifying and generating reports of leak savings can be a burdensome task. Therefore, SDT created the Leak Reporter, a free application that allows you to measure, to manage, and to master your compressed air leak management program. Easily document every leak in pictures, measure their ultrasound signal amplitude, then input the data quickly into the Leak Reporter app to quickly estimate the positive cost impact once those leaks have been repaired. In a previous version of the app, once you created your user account, you automatically created a database for that user. One user equaled one database. But for larger organizations with multiple Leak Reporter users, managing the team's work became complicated because the application wasn't designed to initially handle multiple databases within a single account. And so we were frequently challenged by our customers about how they could manage teamwork in these larger companies. For this reason, we're deploying this update so that you can measure, manage, and finally master both the energy savings campaigns and the actors that participate in those campaigns. Now, by creating roles for users with different privileges, we have the possibility for several simple users to be managed by a manager within an admin account. So after creating an admin account, the administrator can send a request to existing users to join the organization, set the user's role to either admin or user, view and modify surveys from all the users in the organization, change credentials of each user, or even block access to users when they leave the company or move to a different department or to a different role within the organization. Simple users, on the other hand, can only create surveys and manage the leaks that they've discovered during their surveys and campaigns. Now, so here's how to quickly and efficiently deploy this update for your organization. If you don't have an idea of the number of users within your organization and the associated logins for those, no need to panic. You can just call us. We have all of that available in our database, and we can help you sort that out. So just ask. So all the existing accounts today are single user by default. So first thing you have to do is you need to log into your CMS Leak Reporter application. And for those that are familiar with the CMS web app that supports the Leak Reporter, you'll notice a new menu option on the left here called My Company. And once you click on My Company, you have the option to create a new company. Give your company a name and a unique code that will avoid duplicate companies. And here I'll type in SDT, Ultrasound Solutions, and then a company code is required also, which is a unique alphanumeric code of your choice. So type that in here and then click Save. The next step is to invite all of the existing users within your organization who you want to join in this new multi-user environment. So insert the email address in the Invite a User to Join the Company field, and then assign them a role, either as a simple user or as an administrator, and then click on the invite. Remember to use the email address that they use as their login to the Leak Reporter. Here in our video, we're going to use Benoit, and we're going to set him a role as a user and click invite. And if everything works according to plan, Benoit should now get an invitation in his email inbox that will have a notification that he's been invited to join, and it will also have this unique invitation code here. All he has to do now is copy that unique code, then just right click and copy, and then click access the My Company field in the CMS, and then just right click again and paste the unique company code into the field, and then click join like so, and he is finished. He is now signed up and he is joined. As the administrator for the company, a notification will be now received in your inbox. And this notification tells you that Benoit has received your invite, he's clicked on it, and he's accepted. Now, as the admin, as the manager, you have to go back into the CMS and you have to either accept or refuse this application for membership. So there is, you can see the invitation waiting to be accepted. You just clicked on accept, and there's the registration date and all the pertinent information. And this gives you the administration to have a strict control over the people that are inside your leak management team. Once the request has been accepted by you, the admin, then you'll have the full power and a 360-degree view of all the work carried out by the team in the field, as well as the KPIs calculated for all the campaigns that they'll do. You have a real complete overview of everything that's going on in your leak management program. Well, that summarizes this update for users and the admin roles in LEAKReporter. And we think you're going to find them really useful for working in larger teams to defeat the waste of compressed air leaks. If you have any questions at all, you can reach out to us in so many ways, including email. You can message us on Facebook. You can message us on LinkedIn. And here on the thank you page, you can see hear more at sttultrasound.com is a great way to reach us. You can go to our website, www.sttultrasound.com, go to the contact page and also contact us there. Great. Any questions? Just reach out. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Bye-bye.